Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. Today I'm excited to share with you another Halloween tutorial, something really quick and easy that you can do with some stuff I found at Dollar Tree and at the 99-cent store, and also just some things that you might have in your craft supplies. So basically what this is going to be is I found these fun, I think they're called lenticular photo frames over at, this was at the 99-cent store, and when you move it, they get spooky, which is really cool. There you go. So there's 4 of them in this pack. I opened one because I wanted to check it out, just make sure it was going to work with what I had in mind. There's 4 pictures. I think it's 1 frame, so maybe the idea is that you fold it in half and then set it up, like stand it up wherever you're at, which I think is pretty cool. I think that's not bad for $1 or 99 cents. So I thought when I found this mirror at the Dollar Tree, I think it would be really cool if I put one of these faces on the glass and kind of made it like just a spooky Halloween prop for my mantle or for anywhere really. So what I'm going to do is basically try to get this face on the glass. I'm also going to gold leaf this because I want it to have more of an antique look, not this bright silver. So I guess we'll just get started. Well, first let me show you. In order to get this picture out, I kind of had to really get in there and tear it apart, but luckily there's nothing wrong with the frame itself. I mean, there's a little bit of glue residue, but I think once I do what I need to do to get this on the mirror, I think it'll be fine. So I've decided to pick her because she looks like she would be in a cameo mirror or picture or something like that, so I think that was kind of cool. I decided to work with her. So we're going to put her aside, and basically what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put some gloves on because if you've ever gold leafed anything, it is a mess. So with gold leafing, it's pretty easy. What you want to do is cover the area that you want the gold leafing with Mod Podge. I kind of want to do the whole thing. I do want some of the silver to show through, and it will, but I do want the gold to be on there. So we're going to need a wet brush as well as a dry brush. And what we're going to do is go ahead and get the gold leafing sheets and place it anywhere the glue was on. By all means, does not have to be perfect. So you just take it off and cover it up. The idea is to get as much of it on there as possible. I'm only doing one section right now because I don't want to do the handle at the same time. I'll do the handle later. Okay, so what we're going to do is basically get the brush and brush off the excess. Just keep brushing. It kind of gives it a little bit like just like a gold finish is what we're looking for. And with this, since there's crevices in the design, I'm just going to go over it again with some more Mod Podge, which isn't a problem. You can put as much as you want. And then I'm going to add more gold leaf sheets. You just add all the crumbs, you know. Just get it all on there. The good thing about this process is it's very forgiving. You could also, if you don't want the gold leafing or you don't have the gold leaf sheets, I'll link below to where you can find them, but you can also spray paint if you want. Okay, see how that works there? Let's see if you can see it. then I'm going to go ahead and do the handle. Okay, so now that this is dried pretty much, what I'm going to do is use a piece of this scratch tissue paper type tracing paper stuff, and I'm going to go ahead and put it over the mirror, and I'm going to use it to draw out, oops, the oval. That way I can make a template for the picture. Of course, I'm not doing a very good job here, but oops. It's kind of hard to do it on this surface. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that real quick. And it pretty much give me the shape that I need. Alright, close enough. Now I'm going to use a Sharpie, and I'm going to draw on the back of this image. I want to make sure that her face is in there correctly, and you kind of can see, you probably can't see it on the camera there, but I can kind of see where her face is if I put it up to the light. And I want to make sure that I get enough of her. I don't want to cut off her head or anything. So that's about right. Takes it right up to the edge there. Okay, well, I found this brushed metal formula from Folk Art. Never used it. I think it was a giveaway at one of the trade shows. It's actually a pretty cool color. It's not black, but it might be exactly what we need. So let's try this out. Okay, I'm going to use a foam brush. I'm just going to dab a little bit on the tip there. And so let's see. Alright, so now for the front. Gonna just get the edges there. It gives it an aged dimension to it. You can still see the gold. There's some silver in there, so we really don't know what color to start it off with. So what we're going to do is I'm going to apply some glue to the outer edge of the mirror, as well as inside, and then going to stick that right in there. I think that looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? Back, details, it's aged. So I hope you liked this project. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more of these kind of projects, not just for Halloween, but all year round, please subscribe. And if you have any cool ideas or things that you think I should try, let me know. I'd love to incorporate some of your ideas in my channel. So thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.